Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add Amazon affiliate links to your Wix website. So for this, first we will need an Amazon Associates account, which is Amazon's affiliate program. So you want to go to affiliate/program.amazon.com, and here you need to create an account. So I have a separate video on how you can make an Amazon Associates account if you want to check it out. But once we have created an Amazon Associates account, it will automatically link it to our main Amazon account, and we will get this Amazon Associates site strip on top of our website. So how we can do this, we want to go to the search bar, and here I will just do a mouse as an example. So I'll select this first option. And if we want to get an affiliate link, we will click on text right here at the top. And as you can see, it has generated an affiliate link for us. So we can just right click on this and copy it. And now it will refer us or refer people to this product. So once we have our affiliate link ready, then we can exit out of Amazon. And we're just going to go back to Wix, and we're going to select Add Elements. So from the Add Elements tab, I am going to choose some text template. So from the text, theme text, I will just drag and drop this as an example. And if we want to add this affiliate link, this Amazon affiliate link to our Wix website, we will click on the link option right above our text after we have it selected by left clicking on it. And we can actually choose web address here. And we can right click and paste and also select where it opens. So either new window or current window. So I'm going to leave it as new window. If we click on done, then now if people click on this link, it will refer them directly to your Amazon link. Or if you want to do just a simple part of the text here, which can be referred. So we can just highlight the part of text that we want to refer people like this. And we click on, we remove the link first. And then if we just click on here, then we can add a link with this option. And again, we repeat the same process, web address, we paste the link here and we click on done. And now if they click here, it will refer them to the Amazon or the Amazon affiliate link. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.